Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to check your Microsoft apps for updates and also disable updates if you don't want to have them updated. So to do so, you need to open the Microsoft Store. Now this is assuming you're logged into your account here, which you should be if you're logged into Windows. So there's a couple places here. So if you go to your library, this will show you your apps, and then you can see which ones have some updates. You can click on Get Updates here, or click on it there, and then you have some share options and so on from the three dots. You could also open your apps from there. So you could also click on Get Updates to update everything from there. So if you want to disable updates, let's say you don't want them to be updated for a particular reason, you don't want the newest version, you want to stick with what you got, you could click on your profile picture here, go to App Settings, and then you could turn off the app updates here. But if you do that, you could go back to your library and you could still update them manually if you want to. So it's up to you. So you can sort them also, by apps and games and so on, if you want to narrow them down as well. So once again, open the Microsoft Store, go to your library, and you can update things from there, open them from there, and then if you want to disable updates, go to your app settings from your profile, and then turn this off, and then if you change your mind, just come back in and turn it on. Pretty simple. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.